Hey friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will show you a powerful tool called OnlyPrompts and how marketers are using it to automate over 37,000 tasks. And yes, it's available with a lifetime deal on AppSumo. As always, the link and the updates are in the description below. Make sure to check that out before the deal ends. So let's get started. So what is OnlyPrompts? OnlyPrompt is a smart AI prompt management tool. It helps you to save and reuse the best prompt for AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Jaspi AI, and many more. If you are using AI for writing emails, blogs, product description, or ads, you probably reuse some prompts again and again. OnlyPrompts can help you to organize and automate the process, sorting them into folders and generate content in one click without copying and pasting in every time. Why does this matter? Because smart marketers don't waste time in typing the same thing again and again. They use tools to go faster. OnlyPrompts lets you do more work in less time by keeping your best AI prompts ready to go. Now, who is it for? This tool is great for marketers, agencies, freelancers, or AI content creators. Anyone who uses AI every single day, they will love it. And let's talk about the deal, which is lifetime deal. And it's available on AppSumo. Most AI tools charge monthly, but OnlyPrompts give you lifetime access on AppSumo. That means no more bills. You can pay one time and use it forever. Also, the tool is very easy to use. You can add tag, search quickly, and even share your prompts library with your team and others. So, should you get OnlyPrompts? If you want to save your time, be more organized, and automate your AI workflow, then yes, it's worth it, especially at this one-time payment. So make sure to check the description for the deal link. It may end soon. And thanks for watching. Drop a like and comment to help this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.